YouTube, please don't demonetize this, okay? Because I'm just literally showing people. So as you can see, there is not much hair anymore. So for this video, mga sis, we are going to talk about hair removal options for transgender women. And specifically on this video, I will be sharing to you guys how I personally manage my own body and facial hair, because I noticed a lot of you guys have been asking me questions about removing body and facial hairs. So I can definitely suggest something that I know personally works for me, because I have done it on parts of my body. Let me just go ahead and show you guys. And I'm back. So the product that I'm going to be showing to you is an IPL hair laser removal home kit. And I know earlier in this video, I mentioned that I will never go back on IPL ever again. So that's the reason why I was very hesitant on this sponsorship, this collaboration, because I had this bad experience with IPL and I'm like, it did not work for me. So if this doesn't work for me, I'm just gonna give an honest feedback to everyone. I'm just gonna give like a genuine feedback to everyone. And they told me, you don't have to like make up stuff. You don't have to like provide us a positive review. If your feedback is negative, you tell the people that it's negative. And I'm like, that's what I'm gonna do. So if you're not gonna agree with my terms, I'm not gonna take the sponsorship. Just like what I did with every sponsorship that was sent to me, and I declined them. And they didn't want to push through because they just want positive feedback. But KetchBeauty, I love you so much, because like you guys literally let me just provide my honest feedback. And again, let's see if this product really works. So this is the package that I actually got. I got the pink one. And literally this was sent from the US to Australia. So imagine like the hassle that they have to go through, and then like, you know, having my feedback, like if it's positive or negative, because they still don't know the feedback that I'm going to be providing. It's only on this video, because those are my terms. Like I told them, like, I'm not going to make shit up just to like tell people that it's working. Okay. So they were very okay with that. So when you get the package, you're going to get this. So this is the IPL hair removal handset for home use. So it literally describes everything that the machine or the kit does and does not, and who are the people that are actually best suited for this. So yeah, so basically everything is here. I'm gonna be putting down on the description down below every link that you can actually find on how to order this product. Definitely I suggest. And they are gonna give you this. Make sure to use this before you do your hair laser session, okay? And when you're using this product, like, you actually have to have it connected to a power source while you're using it. So that's very important. And then this is the actual product. Yay, so cute, right? So on this product, I will be showing you, by the way, a video that I am literally using it, and then after, like, the results of me using it. So now let me just go ahead and show you guys a couple of videos wherein I'm using it with my partner, because I literally used it with my partner as well, because I'm like, it might work for me because I have like thin hair, but let's see if it's gonna work on my partner's skin and hair. Okay. Hi guys, I'm back, and this is actually the part of the video wherein I prove to you guys that I am actually using the KetchBeauty IPL at home hair laser removal, you know, because we don't want to fake the review. I want to let you guys see that I'm actually using it so I can provide you proper feedback, okay? And please forgive me if I look so horrible today, because I am literally having my skincare and my hair care today, because it is a Thursday, and we normally do our skincare and hair care every Thursdays, Wednesday, Thursdays, and then every Sundays. That's beside the point. Let's go ahead and continue with the video. So I do have a couple of body hair that I want to target, and I'm going to be showing to you guys that I actually have body hair on those parts before I shave it and use the product. So let me just go ahead and show you guys. I do have 3 parts that I actually wanted to target. So I'm sorry, y'all, for everyone who has foot fetish, because like my feet is so ugly, I am failing you. Anyways, yeah, so this hair over here, as you can see, there's hair there, and then this hair. So as you can see, there's actual hair there. This is my hair below my belly button, and it just looks very manly and disgusting. But like in pictures, like you won't really see them because they're very thin, but yeah, I still feel dysphoric about them. So I want to do something about it. So yeah, those are the parts that I will be targeting with this IPL at home hair laser removal, and hopefully it actually works, especially the hair in the lower belly, because it really makes me uncomfortable, makes me feel masculine, and just really triggers my dysphoria sometimes. So I really want to remove that, and let's see if this will work. So let me just go ahead and shave it first. Yeah, because it needs to be properly shaved before you can do the IPL. I think that's cute. All right, so let's go ahead and do the IPL now. So I'm putting it on number 4 because, you know, as per the instructions, I should be able to tolerate number 4. So let me just go ahead and try that. Oh. Oh. I really thought this would hurt, but it doesn't. And I should not be looking at that. And of course, aside from trying it to myself, we will also going to be having a comparative analysis, which means that we're going to be trying this bad boy to my partner as well. Hi guys, so we're going to be trying the at-home IPL laser kit. So now we're going to be starting the IPL home laser, and I'm just wearing like the safety laser goggles, you know, to protect my eyes. And we basically am doing the number 3, level 3 for him because, like, you know, he's white. And it says on the instructions that for his skin tone and the color of his hair, like the best would be around 3 or 4. But since this is his first time and this is a patch test, so we're gonna be using level 3, okay? So as you can see, there is no hair. We shaved it all. There's no trick. There's no Photoshop or whatever. Like, it's an actual skin, actual human being's skin. Yeah, so I'm gonna be doing the IPL thing. Does it hurt? Yes or no? No?
You can feel it, but does it hurt you? Yeah? Not really. Okay. Yeah, because it doesn't really hurt.
So we're just gonna be continuing that offline and we'll let you guys know. All right, thank you so much for watching the video. I am sorry because like the quality of that video is really shitty, I know, but that actually tells you that it's a genuine review because, like, you know, as soon as I started using it, I recorded it. I just wanted to make sure that it's being recorded. My partner was like, why are you recording this? And I'm like, because we need to tell the whole world whether it's working or not. And then let me just go ahead and let you guys know more details about when I use this product, because I really recommend this because, you know, imagine you having hair laser removal at the convenience of you being at home anytime you want, right? So yeah. So first of all, like, you have to shave your hair, because the reason why you have to shave your hair is because for the laser or for the pulse light to go through the follicles and not to the length of your hair, okay? So that's why you have to shave it. And my targeted parts are my toe hair, as I showed. The level that I was using is level 4, level 3 for my lower belly hair. I was supposed to be using this on my neck and jawline, but then I was like too freaking scared that it would burn me. That's how freaking traumatized I was with IPL. But then now I'm gonna be starting to use it because it works wonders, okay? First impressions of me using this and my partner using this IPL. First, I thought like it's really not gonna, like, you're not really gonna feel anything because like it's an IPL. Like, I've been told a lot that IPL is not laser, so I thought like it's not really gonna work. It's just like, you know, light and something. But you can actually feel that it's working. You can smell that your hair is burning. You can actually feel like a slight pain, and that's when you know that it's actually working, because like there's pain and at the same time, like, you know, literally that your hair is burning. Yeah, there's like a flicking pain, but it's not really that painful. Like, it's just gonna caught you in a surprise if it's like the first few times that you will be using it, but after that, like, you're gonna get used to it. It's kind of like the first few times that your ex-partner hurt you, but you let him and you got used to the pain. Try. And what's good about this is it doesn't really leave your skin feeling burned, as in, like, you know, when you have IPL, like afterwards, like it kind of makes you feel like your skin is burned, or literally it's burning it. That's why sometimes like you have to use like a cooling gel, but this one, like, you don't really have to. Just make sure that after using this, you don't jump in a hot shower, because, you know, it's just gonna aggravate things, okay? So make sure to use lukewarm water or like cold water, or better yet, just take a shower in the morning. Like, do it at night before you sleep and then take a shower in the morning, okay? You definitely need to use the goggles. As I explained, you definitely need to use this to protect your eyes, because the light is very intense. I mean, like, not intense to like burn you or something like that, but it's very intense. It's kind of like looking directly in the sun, kind of that moment. So please use this, okay? Now for my partner, like, we did the back of his arm, and that was like, initially we were just doing level 3 and level 4, and then my partner was like, just do it. And I'm like, okay, I'm gonna put it on level 5. So we were doing it on level 5, and that's it. Now the update, let me just go ahead and show you guys, because we started doing this on, I think on May 13. And I was initially doing this once every 3 weeks, and then I was doing it once every 2 weeks, and now I was doing it once every week. So yeah, it really depends on you and if you can tolerate it or anything, but me, like, I just did it. So as I mentioned to you, I did it on here, lower belly. Oh my god, like YouTube, please don't demonetize this, okay? Because I'm just literally showing people. So as you can see, there is not much hair anymore. So this is the part where I actually did it. Here. This one is just like scar, because literally I got scars from plucking the hair here. That's why it kind of looks like that. But as you can see, like, it's not there anymore. So that actually shows you, or proves to you, that it freaking works, okay? I am also using this as a maintenance laser for my diode, because, like, you know how after your diode laser, you have to have like maintenance for at least once a year or something like that, twice or once a year. So literally I will be using it for that, or maybe I'll give it to a friend so they can try it. I do have like a couple of friends that are using this IPL laser kit, exactly this, and it works great for them. So yeah, I will be sharing to you guys the link down below, and I will be updating you guys to see if we can get like a discount code or something, because like that would be amazing, right? To get a discount code or something. So again, I will be making a part 2 video for sure, using it to like maybe other parts of my body and other parts of my partner's body, just to make sure, give you guys an update to see if it's working after 6 months or something like that, and then I will let you guys know, and yeah, we will proceed from there. So make sure to check the description box for this. And again, it really would be up to you on what method of hair removal you will be using, just to make sure to consider things, okay? To consider like the level of your dysphoria, the urgency, the comfort of the method that you're using, and your finances, because you don't want to be spending a lot just to have your hair removed and then you cannot eat, or worse, you cannot freaking buy your hormones. Like, save money for hormones first, okay? And make sure to not shave. Oh my god, like, I cannot stress this enough. Don't shave, just pluck, okay? If in case that it's gonna grow thinner, and it's gonna grow less curlier if your hair is curly, and slower as well. Yeah, so that is all for today. And again, that's an honest review. Like, when I review product, I make sure that it's working for me before I even tell you guys. And yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. I really do hope that this video has become very educational and at the same time entertaining. I tried my best. And yeah, so any more questions, comments, suggestions, valid reactions, let me know in the comment section below. And share this video for awareness. And like this video if you like the content. Thumbs down if not, because I really want to know what kind of content that you want me to make. And yeah, let's go and talk about something, mga sis. If you've been watching 2, 3, 4, 5 or more videos of mine and you're not yet subscribed to my channel, that's okay. I'll just go ahead and give you time to subscribe. Just go ahead and click the subscribe button down there or here. Ooh, done. Okay, thank you so much for that. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.